I'm JC.
And I'm Georgie, and we're back again.
And now we're going to do the slime again.
Yeah.
And now this is so warm, so
Yeah.
we're going to have to open it.
Yeah.
Squidge it all up.
Yeah, and then just make fart sounds.
Yes. And then we're going to like peekaboo through it.
If you saw our last challenge, we did it with the slime.
Yeah. We
Yeah.
did it like about 2 days ago.
Or maybe like yeah.
So let's get started.
Yeah.
They're easy to open.
Yeah.
So
you can just
this is
take.
what's inside. It's goo.
It's good slime.
Oh!
Oh my god! Look at my bottom.
So Ray, let's just go. Ray, listen to this.
We did it at the same time, that fart.
3, 2, 1. Hey, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Just say she's 7, I'm 8.
Yeah.
Up. And now Ray. So we're gonna peekaboo through it.
It's very easy to like.
Yeah, you should get them. Like if you live in California, where we are right now,
Oh.
you should get these. They're
Mm.
really good. Right, I'm gonna do a big one.
Oh no! It was in slime. And now I'm gonna do something really funny.
Okay. Oh, excuse me. I'm just gonna.
Look out behind you,
But-
okay?
Yeah, but it was okay. Just be careful.
We will.
Looks like 3 balls.
3 balls? What the hell?
And 1 dot on it.
Is Ava allowed actually?
No, please. Please take it off her.
My precious.
Is that paid for the shoe?
Yeah, it's fine.
My precious. It's malicious. My precious malicious. My precious malicious.
What?
Now we're nearly there.
Right? Oh. Right.
And now it's gonna be
She's
like
only 7 months.
this. Look.
Oh.
I made an eyeball. Made an eyeball.
I made my ball. What's you got in the mouth, please? Oh, just the spoons.
What day is it again? Saturday.
Yeah.
Oh. No.
Yeah, so thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
We love you so much. Bye.
Bye.